It should be easy to choose between a strip light and a rope light because the strip light is much brighter than the rope light, but the rope light is much more flexible than the strip light. I thought that choosing between these two should be obvious. Hi everyone, Marcus here from madpack, and if you love smart home and Apple HomeKit, this is definitely the place for you. So when choosing between these two, we need to understand that the rope light is a much more flexible and created to give you the possibility to be a little bit more free and create your own designs. When we talk about strip lights like this one that I have on my hand, that is the Goovy COB, feels more like a practical light. But when we talk about your rope light, what to expect is a bunch of supports like you have in here that you have to also screw to the wall to be able to create your own designs. But for you guys that are more stressed, to mess up with your home and with the design that you are trying to create, having something that you have to set up with these little guys here on the wall and screw it. If you screw it on the wrong place, you're going to have troubles because you are not going to get the design that you wanted. So more flexibility means more work and more chances to create something that you will not like. So when we look a little bit closer, definitely we see here a big difference. The strip light is much larger and also much brighter, but there is an advantage on the strip lights is the fact that you can see the LEDs in the middle, and there on the rope is not possible to see them. So definitely a plus that you'll see on the rope, even if it's not as bright. But that made me start questioning, because when you look to the rope, you are losing brightness and simplicity and increasing the chances that something goes wrong. And when we look to the strip light, it comes with other caveats that we need to decide if we want to live with them or not. So in other words, with this one, because the LED is on the top of where you are gluing, you can just bend them up or down. So that doesn't give you any freedom to do different things with a strip light. So now I'm stuck, because if you think about it, if you want more creativity, if I want more creativity, I need to choose the rope. But if I want more simplicity and more brightness, I'm stuck with something that is not so flexible and not so creative like a strip light. So what I'm trying to say with this is that we are reframing these questions wrong, because in other words, you need to decide is where you want to set them, because in some situations you'll prefer the rope and in other situations you'll prefer the strip light. So when we talk about the strip light, I think that the best places to put it is, for example, under your bed, under a table, or even on your kitchen, where you need a strong light and also a clean look. When we talk about this rope, we need to understand that when it's set it on the wall, it's basically pointing, so this one is to be seen. So it's not like the strip light that you want to put under a bed or under a table or even on your kitchen, where it's just creating light. This is creating a shape, a design, and it's trying to basically replicate your personality. So in other words, what I'm trying to say is that both lights, they can create curves, but the strip light can only bend up or down towards the ceiling or the floor, but the rope, it can give you the freedom of creating different shapes on your wall. So you may ask to yourself, which one do I prefer? And I have to say neither of them, because yes, this one will look amazing under my bed or under my table or even on the kitchen. I still need to decide where I want to put this one. But this one will look amazing on my staircase, where I'm going to create a design and give a little bit more of movement to that specific area where there is no lights and nothing really happening. But above all, always remember, rope means more effort and strip light means much more simplicity and brightness. So between these two, which ones you prefer, or in which situation will use them? Let me know, because that can give me some ideas to create in my home. My name is Marco, this is madpack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face. And I hope to see you in the next one.